Hey, hello my YouTube friends, how are you? I'm in the middle of a big cyclone, hurricane that it just went through Hong Kong into Zhuhai and to Macau, and it's devastating. I mean, lots of roads has been closed, flooded, and actually I have a meeting in Macau. I was in Hong Kong. Everything was shut down. My only choice into Macau is to drive my own car to get to Macau. And look at the devastation here. Look at the gas station. Everything just went chaos. All the signs blew out and the power cables are all gone. That's terrible. All the trees, and yep, it's become really dangerous. Well, I'm lucky that I wasn't flooded in and all that, so I think I'm gonna make it to the meeting to Macau. And I just didn't want to vlog while I was driving. It's kind of dangerous because I'm by myself now. My son's not here, so I'm trying to vlog as much as possible to show you guys what's happening at this part of the world instead of North America. So back to working conditions here. Well, everything is kind of chaos. The roads, I was supposed to get off the exit one, but the trees were just all blown off and the road was just completely buried, so that wasn't possible. But anyway, I'll keep you updated. Well, so here it is, my journey. I'm gonna take around another I think an hour to get there. Now right here I'm in a Zhuhai special economic zone, and some roads are closed actually, so I'm just trying to find my best way into Macau. So okay guys. Well, there's actually no traffic lights working. They're all out, so it's all menu traffic here. I hope there won't be a big jam up here. Can you guys see the trees? Everything is chaos. So sad. Look at it. It just all got blown to Kingdom Come. Well, here, look at this building here. It's very interesting. And the windows got blown out. Can you see, guys? Looks like a church, but there's no cross on the church. What's going on here? Wow. You see all these trees? They're all blown out. That's terrible. Well, it's raining again, so I better get back in the car and continue my journey. Well, luckily I brought some Slim Jims back from Costco, so I can have a snack on my way to Macau. Awesome. No power. It's bad, man. Look, there's absolutely no street lights. Well, everything is out. Everybody's driving really slowly, rolling ahead. Can you see the road here? Chaos. The roads are closed. Diversion after diversion. This journey is gonna be long. Long journey. Can you see those trees there? Here, I'll turn on the high beams. These are all the trees that just fell on the road. Look at that. Who needs a minivan? Wow, look at this truck. Chaos. This is called chaos, traffic chaos. After the big storm. Look at this road here. I'm confused. Okay, he wants to drive. I want to drive. So what? We just stay here and have a head-on party. Okay, that's how we do it. Oh, look at these roads. OMG. I am totally out of my mind. Do we have to go four-wheel driving? This is kind of road normal. Oh dear. What's happening? What is happening? I don't know, can you see this truck? Just got completely mowed down by the wind. And this is what road I am. I'm just totally lost now. There's no signal on the GPS, no signal on my cell phone. And gee, where am I? Guys, I'm officially lost. Well, I'm just gonna stand by the side of the road and see whatever road is possible just to get out of here. Well, we're at the Zhuhai railway station. Finally made it here. It's total chaos. Well, let me try to cross the border and let's see what's gonna happen there. There's another blocked road, unable to pass by, so there's a diversion. That is chaos. So sad, the whole road's been, I can't even use the road. All the roads are like that. The trees, the lamppost, everything is gone. Look, it's terrible. Well, finally I made it to the Gombe. I don't know, can you guys see properly? So we're gonna head to Macau. And this is the way to Macau. So we gotta wait for the green light. Waiting. Whatever these words mean, we're in Macau. And this is the Macau immigration. Look, here is the Macau, and here we go, Chinese and Portuguese. I'm not good at Portuguese. Maybe you guys can help me read the roads. And there's no taxis, no transportation. Well, finally, here we are. That's a Venetian. Does it look familiar, you guys? The Vegas. That was a long journey. I think almost 6 hours. Everything is chaos. Lots of flooding today. A lot of cars at the basement got flooded out, and that's really sad. Oh gee. What a bad day for traveling. That whole damn tree. Oh my gosh.
Hey, this is Trier Keeper of Miami. When I'm not making music, I'm keeping up with the sports teams and trying to see what musical inspirations are out there. Yes,
gone. Yeah, finally arrived at the parking lot here in Macau, and this was a really crazy drive over here. Yeah, so much devastation. Like, yeah, the lamppost, trees, and the boys. You know, the boys from the ferry. The boys flew up and just flew inland. It was so, and all the gates, really big trees got, you know, and the car park, lots of car parks got submerged, so lots of cars will be totaled. And gee, that was sad. And I don't think I can go home early. I think the roads has to be cleared up, especially when I go back to China and, you know, go back to Hong Kong. I think I'll be here for a few days anyway for a meeting, and I'll be productive anyways. I didn't film too much on my way driving because it's kind of dangerous, and please forgive me for not doing that, but I tried to show you guys as much as possible. So I'm signing off now. Enjoy, relax, like, and share, and I hope to see you guys next time. Take care, friends.